Hey creators, starting a YouTube channel but struggling with ideas? Don't worry, short, engaging videos are your best friend. In just 5 minutes, you can create content that hooks viewers. Let's dive into 5 easy video ideas any beginner can make. Share a bite-sized skill. Teach viewers something practical in under a minute. For example, how to tie a tie or 5-second phone hack. Keep it visual, add text overlays, and use upbeat music. Pro tip: use hashtags like #shorts to boost reach. People love authenticity. Film a 5-minute slice of your day, your morning routine, work setup, or a hobby. No fancy editing needed, just be yourself, add chill background music, and use captions to highlight key moments. Ask your audience to send questions and answer them fast. Example, 10 questions about me in 60 seconds. Use jump cuts to keep pace, add quirky transitions, and end with a call to action like, drop more questions below. Review a product you love or hate in 2 minutes. Show close-ups, share honest opinions, and add text to list pros and cons. Perfect for niches like tech, beauty, or gadgets. Tag brands for a chance to get noticed. Challenges go viral. Try a 5-minute workout or draw with your eyes closed. Invite friends or tag other creators to join. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost engagement. Ready to start? Pick an idea, grab your phone, and hit record. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Drop a comment with your favorite idea, and don't forget to subscribe for more creator tips.